This versatile module seamlessly steps voltage up or down, accepting a wide input range from 6 to 36 volts to deliver a finely adjustable output between 0.6 and 36 volts. It capably delivers up to 5 amperes of current and a total of 80 watts of power, making it suitable for a wide array of electronics projects. The brilliant and informative digital screen clearly displays critical parameters in real time, including voltage, current, power, and even provides a visual voltage and current curve. An impressive suite of both hardware and software protections, such as overvoltage and short-circuit prevention, ensures the safety of both the module and your connected devices. Its constant current functionality and built-in anti-backflow protection make it an excellent choice for safely charging batteries, while the 10 memory slots allow for quick recall of frequently used settings. The intuitive user interface allows for precise control over voltage and current limits, establishing this converter as a fantastic foundation for a compact DIY laboratory power supply.